Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This just arrived Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. We're real lucky to have this boat here, very fortunate. Out of our 80 plus stores, we only have 7 of these on the ground for different stores. So if you want to take a look at it, it's a perfect time to come by MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach to see this awesome boat. This one's powered by the new V10 Mercury 400s. Lots of power for a 32-foot boat. You're not going to have any disappointments with the performance with this. You got a nice big swim platform on the back here. You can see that I've got plenty of room on the back of the boat as you make your way forward. Nice wide boarding door, but also on the starboard side, you've got a big door, dive door, boarding door, exit door, you call it what you want. But look at the heavy duty hardware on this thing. This is built like a battleship. Look at the hinges on here. No little cheap $10 hinges that you see on some of our competition. Look at the size of the handle on there. So everything about Whaler is heavy duty, overbuilt. Fold out back seat on this boat. Live well to the port side. Fold out seat on the port side as well. Really convenient. So you've got lots of good seating here in the cockpit, in the aft cockpit of this 325. As we move forward here a little bit, you can see that this boat has got the Sure Shade on it. When this Sure Shade comes out, when you open it up, it's electric, push of a button, it's going to extend all the way back here and cover up this back seat. So not only have you got the shade from this huge hardtop on this boat, but then you've got the shade from the Sure Shade. So you can put everybody in the shade on this boat. Wet bar to starboard. Lift this up right here. You can see there's a little sink down below. You've got a refrigerator below that and some storage underneath there. Of course, there's always lots of drink holders everywhere. You can never have enough drink holders on the boat. You can see the seating underneath the hardtop is real versatile as well. So on the port side, you've got this reversible seat. So if somebody wants to sit here, maybe you're pulling tubers, maybe you're watching your fishing line, something like that, there's a little footrest that you can pull out right down here. So when you're sitting here, you've got a nice footrest to put your feet on. Also to the port side, this is a neat versatile seat too. You can face forward or you can face aft, and then you've got a high-low table here that you can put down, and you can see how neatly that tucks in. And again, look at the hardware on this thing, how heavy duty everything is built on this boat. This, if you look at the hardtop on here, the color of the hardtop, this is the blue. This is the same blue that the exterior of the boat is. Beautiful boat. Then it's the nice trim on the windshield, black, goes with everything, pulls together. The curtain, the black striping, everything like that. Air-conditioned helm. So this boat is really loaded. One of the big options it's got, you're not going to be able to see it today, but it has a gyroscopic stabilizer. That's going to give you roll reduction of 85–90% on this boat. If you don't know what a gyroscopic stabilizer is, easy for me to say. If you don't know what a gyroscopic stabilizer is, look it up, watch some videos on it. It's a game changer. Already have your Simrad electronics on here, so you don't need to add anything there. Your vessel view, Mercury vessel view display right down there, that's going to tell you all about your engine functions. And of course, we wouldn't have this boat without the joystick piloting system. This is also another game changer in the industry. If you have not used a joystick on the boat, you don't have to touch the throttles, you don't have to touch the steering wheel. When you're going into a slip, you do it all with a joystick. There's a bunch of other neat functions with it too, but those are the main thing that's really going to be impressive to you. I'm not going to go down inside the cabin and show you. We're going to have pictures online so you can see the cabin, but there's plenty of room. It's really roomy for a 32-footer. You should make it a point to come see this boat at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, because it's not going to last long. Like I said, there's, I believe, 7 of them in the country right now. So make your way down here. Call me on my cell phone for an appointment for a private showing, 904-625-6146.